Okay, continuing our lesson from A5, we're still looking for greatest common factors. So we're going to do two more examples to make sure that we all have the hang of this before you go into your practice on IXL. The greatest common factor between 18 and 54. Now we're getting some numbers that are a little bit larger, so we might have more factors. Okay, so I want to factor 18 first. We did that earlier. We used 2 and 9. This time let's use 3 and 6. Okay, so 3 is a prime number, it's factored as far as it can go. 6 is 2 times 3. So 18, and I like to put my factors in order. So instead of doing 3 times 2 times 2, I'm going to start with 2 because it's the smallest, and then I'll put the 3's. Notice the numbers that I'm using are the numbers that are at the end of the branches. So the 6 I don't write in my factors because 6 broke down into 2 times 3. So I want to use the numbers that are at the end of the branches. All right, let's do the same for 54. I'll get a good color marker here. Okay. 54. Now you have to think of factors of 54 to start with. It's an even number, so you can always start with 2, but I know that 54 is 6 times 9. So I'm actually going to start with 6 times 9. And then 6 is 2 times 3, and 9 is 3 times 3. So 54 is 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. To find the greatest common factor, we're going to see again what they have in common. So they both have a 2, that's in common. They have a 3 in common, and they have another 3 in common. So the greatest common factor is going to be 2 times 3 times 3, which is 18. Let's try one more. This time we have 3 numbers to try to find the greatest common factor between. So we're going to do the same thing, we're just going to have a third set of factors in there to look at. So we're going to start out with 105 and break that down. Now since it ends in a 5, I know that 5 must divide evenly into 105. Okay? So 5 goes into 105 21 times, so that's 5 times 21. Then I'm going to break 21 down into 3 times 7. So my factors of 105 are 3 again, I'm going to put them in order, times 5 times 7. Okay, let's go to 30. 30 is 5 times 6. 6 is 2 times 3. So my factors of 30, again in order, are 2 times 3 times 5. And then our last number is 75. Oops, sorry. Back over. 70, ooh, let's try that one again. That's not very pretty. A little bit better. Okay, 75 again ends in 5, so I know it's divisible by 5. So I'm going to make that 5 times 15. And then 15 is 3 times 5. Okay, so 75 in order is 3 times 5 times 5. So now we're going to look to see what they have in common. Okay. So only the 30 has a 2, so they don't have a 2 in common, but notice they all have a 3 and they all have a 5. So my greatest common factor is 3 times 5, or 15. Okay. All right, so now go ahead to the, on IXL, section A5, and complete your questions for today. Thank you.